What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to another video and an update on Cardano. Cardano is down 4%, it's just perfectly moving along with the market as you can see. Which, I mean, Cardano is one of the biggest cryptos, so it usually does that. Volume is still relatively high at around 4% of the market cap. It hasn't changed that much from the past week. Right, it's even higher than some points of time after this big drop, of course. So that's also a lot of sellers, but still, it's not great. And definitely, if you check it out over the last month, I mean, here we had 800, right here we had almost 900, right here we had over 1 billion, which was all within the last 2 weeks. So we're relatively low, I think. But I wanted to make this update for 2 reasons. First of all, because I just like Cardano, I like updating it. But apart from that, we also get some inflation rate numbers Wednesday. And Cardano, even though compared to other cryptos, it's still very strong and it's still at relatively high levels. I think those inflation rate numbers could actually be pretty bad for Cardano. So Cardano, most cryptos are below the 12th of May drop. And Cardano has always been above that level. We held, especially this level around 45 cents has been a very strong support. But what you see right now is that while Bitcoin is still above 20,000, is still around 20,500, Cardano is already at that major support. Well, if you would like to convert this 45 cent support to Bitcoin, it would be the 19,000 support for Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin is going to drop down towards 19,000, and Cardano usually moves along with the market. So that would mean for Cardano that we will break this level. Which we, as I said, I mean, the 18th of June, we came close, but we didn't really break that. So the main reason why I wanted to make this analysis, and there's multiple sides to look at this from, because as I said, first of all, we're already at that support, even though I still believe Bitcoin is going to drop down quite a bit more. So is Cardano strong enough to hold this level on its own? It might be, but I don't think it will, because if you also compare Bitcoin with Cardano in a more positive way, is that the 26th of June, Bitcoin moved up to 22,000, Cardano moved up to 52.5 cents. Then the last couple of days, Bitcoin went up to 22,500 and Cardano went up to 49 cents. So see, Cardano is also not as strong as Bitcoin when it's bullish. And that's also the main reason why we're already at that 45 cents level right now. So yeah, I'm quite fearful for Cardano, and I don't want to spread any fear throughout all of you. I think Cardano is a great project to invest in for the long term. On the short term though, what I expect is that we will break this. So that will break down below 43 cents or 43.5 cents, take that break retest and drop down to 40 cents. And I think 40 cents is going to hold. Unless we get some very negative in inflation rate numbers, but I don't think we will. So I think 40 cents will hold, and from there we might even be able to break above that support level again. But that whole drop will be pretty bad, I think. But that is what I expect now. I mean, my opinion can change. Cardano, as I said, I could be wrong. Cardano could be strong enough to actually hold its own and hold this level while Bitcoin is dropping down 10% or 7%. That's a possibility, right? That's really a possibility. I just think that if you look at all those things we just looked at, I think it's actually more likely, just objectively speaking, that we are going to fall down and down towards 40 cents. But obviously in that whole mix we'll also have those inflation rate numbers, so that's going to change it up a little bit. So I will probably update it. So keep an eye out for that. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.